What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Exotic Agent. I'm here with my boy Dex. He's putting his mask on. Well, we just went and got some coffee. We're here at Cars and Coffee in South Scottsdale, and we're gonna go check out some awesome cars. So let's do this. All right, here we are. Cars and Coffee, South Scottsdale. Got some JDM cars. That's cool. Look at that.
I don't know, the Genesis actually look really nice.
Yeah, those are cool.
It's a Hyundai, right?
Yep. Bag. Low and slow.
They look kind of like a 370. I feel like, oh, that's a cool job. I like that.
Shelby Mustang.
It's kind of random.
Look at this guy.
Good old Chrysler 300S.
All right, let's go look at some exotics. We've already seen all these cars before. We're going to the exotic land, right?
That is right.
The McLaren. I like that color. The green. Green spec McLaren. That's cool.
What's up, man?
Oh, a go-kart. Bondurant.
Little go-kart. All right.
All right, you guys, so here in Scottsdale, we don't just have normal cars. We've got supercars, anything and everything you can imagine, because, why do you think? Because we live in a fancy area. But you got to come check out these cars. These are sick.
Is this what the guy from Peoria had? A Lexus?
He had a 612 Scaglietti. I think this is California.
Oh,
Yeah.
I like this one.
Yeah, this one's cool.
It's more like
it's a cruiser. I wouldn't buy it if you're doing Ferrari though.
It just looks more like a practical, like comfortable car.
Yeah, I agree. Bro, you don't have to wear your mask.
Like, it looks like something. Everybody's wearing a mask.
Yeah,
The only one
not everybody.
Yes.
He says yes, everybody. I love this color. I love this color. Green?
Green?
Yeah. And green. We got the Urus. Look at the Urus. 24s maybe? Yep. 24s. That's sick. That thing's ridiculous. Wow. Yeah, yeah. 24.
Yeah, that's
Is that crazy or what? That Urus is sick.
They're really fast.
I like the Lambo a lot too.
That does look like her.
720S. That's a ridiculous car. 720S. 488.
So different, doesn't it? Where you actually sit compared to where the
Yeah,
car
look at
is.
that. Wow.
I mean, there's so much car back here.
What'd you say?
There's so much car back here.
So much car. So much engine.
Yeah, it's just, it's more than what you think when you see it. Like on a
ridiculous.
picture, yeah.
It's ridiculous.
These pipes are cool.
Oh wow. Look at the exhaust.
vicious
Look at that exhaust. Wow.
It's got a big,
Oh, they're custom. Look all the way.
That's funny.
Look all the way under there. Look all the way underneath.
They're like.
That's custom exhaust. That's ridiculous.
That is cool. Yeah. I guess if you're gonna do it right.
Yeah. That's cool. Driving around a go-kart.
That little dude's having a blast, man.
Driving around advertising Bondurant.
This is pretty. I think I've seen her before.
SVJ.
Yeah, a lot of it. I've seen it.
That's cool.
You see a lot of It's got Montana plates.
Here, film a little bit. I want to make sure Mike gets here. I'm just doing one take.
One take roll.
Military, yeah, no, 100%.
Just pause?
I like it. I like it.
One take.
But if you, I mean, obviously, you.
I don't want to film.
No.
Let me help you.
Dexter doesn't want to film.
I love it, dude. I don't care.
That interior's sick. Lime green. Wow.
So I was watching a documentary on like drifting, on how it's all done properly.
Yeah.
And you know that the actual drift cars, their front steering wheel actually can turn like 50 degree at a 50 degree angle. So like they can go in a complete circle.
Look at this. I think he owns the art shop in South Scottsdale. Because he parks it out there.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. Old BMW.
I still like these.
Look at the little Audi R8. Someone's got the drone. That's sick. It's a red guts. Wow. Look at that interior.
I like the seats.
That's cool.
These are kind of like the GTR rims, where the tire, the rim sticks out like
Yeah, they're
a
pretty
lot
flush.
further than the actual.
Oh yeah. I see what you're saying. It's got a little bit of a lip.
That thing's quick.
Oh, look at that. He's on slicks. He's got the Hellcat Challenger. He's got the Lamborghini over here. Lamborghini Gallardo.
Yeah, right? I just have to stop it. It's like,
That's cool. Oh, it's gated. Got the gated manual transmission.
oh, it's a Bondurant. That's classic.
Yeah.
Is the sub mute normally right there?
Yeah, it's custom. You put that in there. This thing is cool. Oh, there's the F430.
So,
I love these cars. These F430s. Yeah. I love the Huracan too.
Yeah, it's a fun car.
Huracan Spider. Most reliable Huracan.
It just does look really nice.
It's just amazing. I wouldn't get a Spider, but
It's like, I feel like it's built very, very nice. It's just compact.
I agree. It's crazy. Got the McLaren. Got the F430 Spider.
Sister with a cake?
430. That 430 Spider with the red and black guts. Oh, it's gated.
I remember the early models, I've talked to other owners, they said that that F1 truck, they still have problems.
Gated transmissions.
Yeah,
They still not that
they
great.
can be finicky.
Because,
I mean, I've
Oh, Audi.
there's really like
New Viper, that's a new one.
I still like it.
So new Vipers, I don't know what year this would be, but it would be in the 2000 something. Yeah, brand new. Oh, 2014. He's a little outdated on his ADOT, but it's okay. All right, the real cars are over
I
here.
still like these. I think they're cool.
It was a new Corvette.
I drove a 95 GTS.
Did
That
you?
was my first fast car.
These cars have gone up in value so much.
That's a wrap, right?
Yeah. This guy I follow on YouTube, he can't even keep his like on the road running because there's so many problems. And every single thing you have to pull out the belt. Like for a belt, you got to pull out the whole engine. Everything that goes wrong, the whole engine's got to go.
Look at this glass though. Right
Yeah,
there. That's sweet. I never
that thing's crazy.
like honeycomb.
That's crazy. We got some Ford GTs. I love this wrap. Let me know what you guys think about this wrap. So cool. That's awesome.
Those are my favorites.
That's got the guy going on the go-kart. Honda out. Got some Ford GTs over here. Nice little Ford GT, brand new. That's so sick. Got some more Ford GTs.
What do you say? Here,
Another old Ford GT. So cool. Look at these rims. Wow. Look at the design on these new Ford GTs. That's just ridiculous. That's insane. You have to apply for it and have to draw your number. It takes more than just money. You know why? I told you. Save on taxes. Yeah. Look at the interior of this Ford GT.
I love that $2 million car. It's EcoBoost on the engine,
Yes.
which is what it's on Ford GTs.
Look at the interior. It's built to race. That's just sick. That's just sick. That car is just ridiculous. Is that your favorite car here?
That is by far away my favorite car.
What color are you gonna wrap it?
I'm not gonna wrap it. I'm gonna leave it like that.
You're gonna go black?
Black with
Exposed
gray,
carbon fiber?
with carbon fiber stripes. It's a good selection there, boss. Whoever did that. Look at it exactly. Look at it from this angle right here. Like that tire is completely like you can see straight.
Yeah, it's alone. That is nuts. That is nuts.
Hey, congratulations on the job, man. I heard you're gonna be working full time.
Yeah, I took an travel assignment here.
That's awesome, dude.
Or just make some extra money before I depart to medical school.
That's awesome, man. You'll learn a lot too, I imagine. I didn't know the rims were carbon.
Carbon fiber rims.
It was so...
That is one big engine.
Supercharged, isn't it? These cars are crazy. Crazy cars.
Just tired, dude.
Oh, dude, he's shooting on the new Red Dragon.
It's just
Yes, spec white, 720S Spider. Another McLaren. I love blue. I love blue.
I didn't realize they changed that.
I love baby blue. It's baby blue. Panda. Yeah. Panda.
Eddie's completely out of the scene.
That's kind of, look, DDE sponsored by these guys. That's Comp Tires. Yo, you gonna get some Bang Energy?
No.
Go say hi to the girls.
Go say hi to her.
Dexter's scared. Some more X-Comp. X-Comp tires.
Come over and talk to Jackson and find out what Gladiator Tires is all about. If you really want to go to a professional dealer.
Shelby truck is ridiculous.
So glad
Supercharged.
you're here with us for
Turbocharged.
Turbocharged.
Bonder on car.
Scottsdale Fashion Square this morning and enjoying a great luxury.
Got the Bang Energy
show.
girls.
Wouldn't be much fun without you guys here though.
Timeless.
And enjoy yourself.
I've actually fallen in love with trucks in a new way this year. Yeah.
They're so darn
I
expensive.
mean, they're like Baja trucks. They have a time, you know?
Well, Raptor F-150, yeah, it is. It's wider now. That's already stock. Very good suspension, box springs.
This is like 120, I think. I think it's 120
More than that. More than that. Yeah. Well, it's got so much stuff on it.
Maybe like all out.
Titanium exhaust. Car's sick. 458.
But when he starts running,
Got the Porsche boys. You gotta rev it. Yeah. Dude, I love Huracans. I love Huracans. GT3 RS. Orange. That shit was loud. Come on,